I am a meditation teacher, and I came into this really wanting to add a new tool to my toolbox, not really expecting my own expansion. And at the end of this training, I am not the same person I was when I got here. I am a better teacher. I have deeper compassion, and my lens changed. As clear as I thought it was before this Breathwork Teacher Training, it's not just a teacher training that says, hey, step 1, step 2, step 3, this is what you're going to do. You're actually experiencing the work. You're actually doing the work yourself so that you can fully give that experience to your clients. And I'm just excited. It was transformational. It was amazing. It was exciting and engaging. It really exceeded all my expectations. This is why I chose to come and study with Rebecca. My biggest takeaway is that every living soul needs this.